What's up, friends? Today we'll be drawing and inking Satoru Gojo. So let's get started. We'll be drawing Okkotsu Yuta in Satoru Gojo's body doing hollow purple. Remember to draw the prominent scar. Let's start inking. We'll be drawing injuries and bloodstains as he is severely injured. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more.